got poison backwards. Okay, so Johan Tornado, Robin Ryu. Not sure what to say about this because I feel like Johan usually wins. I think Tornado might have won the last time they played. I think Tornado's beaten Johan like once, so I don't remember what happened. But I know Johan usually wins, but it's also been a good amount of time since then. So I'm not really strong. Ooh, gonna find a Nosferatu, gonna heal a little bit into the Super Saiyan 2 set. He's launching all that Dragon Ball Super. We had to show his love for it. Ooh, but the bow set coming in out. Ooh, he jumps into the down smash. He did the Dobby. He did one of the 5 billion Forsaken Dobby techniques. This one being when a player tries to smash attack and you try to punish it, but you jump too soon. I did that like yesterday when I was sitting around with people.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime!
Right, so, going to Lilat now. Coach Commander usually counterpicks Kazaki Castle, probably saving it to the best of 5 set, which means he's got one more counterpick after this. The neutral not quite killing, not quite sitting at the right angle to kill. Johan really happy to how to gonna come out. That one is gonna do it. Got a piece now, but Tornado is still a good little bit behind. Not by a big margin, but a margin nonetheless. And Johan can hit this. Keep using like thunders and other fighters and stuff. Keep away at bay. Gonna have a little bit of trouble getting in. Once he does get in, he can deal with a ton of damage really good. Like one good combo is all you need sometimes. Punish him and kill really slow. Especially when you got your Crucial User inputs on deck, which anyone who's playing V for long enough does. Alexander down smash coming out. So Johan gonna go up 2-0.
Can anybody stop this fighting machine? Who will our star be tonight? Donkey Kong.
Tornado's switching to DK going down in City. It's gonna bring back bad memories from when Rek used to actually play.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
Alright, so to a dash attack can get punished, but then damage is piling up from both players. Ooh, really good Thunder, recognizing that he couldn't continue the combo, but he could throw one more Thunder out for a little extra damage. Checkmate, not quite killing it. Trying to go for an Ugly Thunder, but Tornado falling too fast. Doesn't get hit by it. Checkmate coming out great. Bailey, that one is going to do it. Johan now up. Okay. Tornado with the S-Bat taunt.
That's a wrap.
Platforming, he doesn't jump, he just keeps running, and that's going to be Johan taking a set pretty slow. Really unfortunate chain of events repeatedly coming out for Tornado, but I don't know, Johan happy to take that.